So hey guys, welcome to the new video. Today in this video we are going to see that how can you integrate ChatGPT in your VS Code. Firstly, let's move in our VS Code. Here I have already selected a folder. You can see this. Just a second. And I have a app.py here. So, firstly you have to go in extensions tab and search for ChatGPT. You will see a list of ChatGPTs here. What you have to install is this one. I will show you. You have to install this one, that is by EasyCode AI. I have personally installed 2 or 3 of these. You can also see one here, that is by Bito, and other one is by EasyCode AI. So I have personally tried all these one, and I liked this one. So basically what you have to do is just simply sign up here, and then you can do many things like a real chat GPT here. What you have to do is just simply you can do anything like this. I will show you. Like this, this is the prompt box for your current file, that is app.py. I can just simply give a prompt here, add 2 numbers in Python. Write a program to add 2 numbers in Python. Write a program to add. You can simply just give this prompt, and this will create a program for you. You can see this. Just copy this and paste it here, just like a normal thing that you do in ChatGPT. Now then just you can run this program, python app.py. Just a second guys, I forgot to save this one. Okay, now run it again. Enter the first number is 6 and 8. You will see this is giving float values because we have used float data type here. So you can see that you can build any feature or anything here. If you don't want to do this on your current file, then just close this and write a basic HTML code for a form with fields as username and password. Username and password. You can see this is creating a form. Then just what you have to do is just simply create a form here, HTML file here, index.html, and then go back again here. Just simply copy this and paste it here. This will work as a form for you. Just go live and check this. So this is the login form here. You can also see that this has already applied a submit route here and other things, which generally ChatGPT does not do by its own, but this is doing this. So that means this is a very good extension for VS Code. You can also try this. Here it is also showing this uses post method, which means that it is a good one. You can also use this one as ChatGPT in your VS Code. So guys, that's all for this video. Now let's see you next time.